Absolutely. I agree 100% with this comment here. These little first aid kits are so easy to throw in your bag. This is just one of those one-person Grainger first aid kits. It has pretty much a little bit of everything in it. There are first aid kits on your locomotive, but if you are taking that walk, you want to take it with you. Also, this particular bag, this red one that I have here, I have a couple of different colors, but the red one I leave as first aid or emergency. If you take daily medications or you're allergic to things, you need to throw an EpiPen in here, throw it in one of these red bags and toss it into your bag. That way, if somebody else needs to grab something out of there, they're not digging through everything. Hey, grab the red bag out of my grip. This is also a great place to keep all of your smaller medications or supplements or vitamins or anything that you don't want to have to buy full versions of if you are away from home at a hotel. So there's Advil in here, there's Lactate, I'm lactose intolerant, so I take that with me. Cough drops, there's Dayquil, NyQuil, I think there's some Prilosec in here. What else? Claritin for allergies, all of that stuff. I just throw all of that in here. It's just a couple of them. That way you don't have to buy them when you're away. But yeah, I definitely agree. Get one of these for your bag. These little pencil cases here with the clear front, you can get these from the dollar store. I've had this in my bag for, God, probably 6 years or so. And I also transfer this. I take this when I travel. You know, I throw that stuff in there and take it with me. Anytime I have to have a different kind of bag with me. When I go fishing, hunting, I take that with me. So yeah, just a good overall tip from this comment right here. I appreciate that.